Welcome to the Tale of Tom Kitten. This is my short English assessment test. Let's just read this first part together. So once upon a time, there were three little kittens and their names were Mittens, Tom Kitten, and Moppet. They had little fur coats of their own and they tumbled about the doorstep and played in the dust. But one day their mother, Mrs. Tabitha Twitchit, expected friends to tea, so she fetched the kittens indoor to wash and dress them. So the question that we've got for this part says, why did Mrs. Tabitha Twitchit fetch the kitten indoors to wash and dress them? Was it because it was bedtime for the kittens? Was it because they didn't like getting dirty? Or so they would be clean and tidy when her friends came to tea, or because Mrs. Tabitha likes washing them? So the answer to this question is in the last paragraph where it says, but one day their mother, Mrs. Tabitha Twitchit, expected friends to tea, so she fetched the kittens indoor to wash and dress them. So in this case, we'll go for C as our option, because so they would be clean and tidy when her friends came to tea. This way you've got various questions and a few more comprehension texts to read. So please do read all the texts carefully and try your best to answer these questions. Good luck with the rest of them. Thank you.